this quick tutorial, I will show you how to transform any image into a Ghibli animated styles. So in just 2 steps, you can convert any image into something like this using ChatGPT. Lots of people just like you are now creating something like this. Even you can create a full channel using this generated video and images. You can create a whole movie with this method I'm going to show you, and I am going to show you step-by-step process on how to do this in this video. So first thing first is to make sure you have your image ready. I mean the image that you want to work on. So when you have this image ready, the next thing for you to do is to log in into your ChatGPT account. And if you don't have a ChatGPT, you can create one. It is very easy. So make sure you upgrade your ChatGPT to do this. Make sure you upgrade your ChatGPT to the latest version before you can do this. And after that, the next thing is to upload your image in ChatGPT. Upload the image that you want to work on ChatGPT, and the next thing for you is to input the right prompt that I'm going to drop in the comment section. I'm going to input it over here, and the next thing for you is to wait, and ChatGPT is going to convert this image into something amazing just like this. If you really found this video very valuable to you and you want more of something like this, you should drop it in the comment section. And if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe